Hi everybody, I hope you're all doing well. Since we are starting a new chapter, I want to post a lesson video to you. I hope you will find it useful. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask me. Okay, let's start. First of all, let us remember the derivatives. Okay, you remember that we can get the derivatives as the following rule. We got tan x. For example, 2x cubed, let us get the derivative. So you remember that we are using the power rule. We got 6x squared. And let's have another sample. 5x plus 6. If we get the derivative, you remember that 5x has derivative 5 and a constant has derivative 0. So we can say just 5. You remember the general power rule, x to the n. If we take the power rule, so we got n brings down as the coefficient constant x to the power, we decrease the power by 1. We say this is a general power rule for derivatives. Okay, we define the integral as antiderivative. What it means? Whatever we are having a rule in derivatives, we are going to apply it inversely. I mean, for example, we said that 5x squared has derivative tan x. The question is such that what function or which functions have derivative tan x? Okay, we have a function here and we get the derivative and we got the final answer tan x. So basically you can remember that we can write 5x squared. So 5x squared has derivative tan x. Is this the only function that has derivative tan x? Of course not. We can write this function as 5x squared plus a number. So if we get the derivative again, we can say it has derivative 10x. Additionally, 5x squared plus, let us get 2. You see that for each case, we can say that the derivative is 10x. So we are going to conclude that we have a function here, 5x squared plus a constant. Constant is a real number. It has derivative 10x. So regarding the integral, I'm going to use the integral symbol such that here it is the symbol. You see S comes from sum. We are going to get the integral of 10x function. Again, this is the symbol of integral. Okay, since we are talking for differentiation, we are going to talk for dx. So the integral of tan x equals, we say that. Again, we have the same question. What function has derivative 5x squared? As you remember that we got already here. So I'm going to say it 5x squared plus c. Our answer is here. Okay, let's have another sample. Okay, we know that the derivative of 2x cubed is 6x to the 2. What's our question? What is the integral of 6x squared dx? So we are going to get the integral symbol 6x squared dx. As you can guess, we will just swap the antiderivative here. We can say 2x cubed. But we remember that 2x cubed is not the only function that has the derivative 6x squared. We need to add c. C can be any number like 1, 2, minus 1, minus 10, root of 2e, whatever it is. Okay, the next sample is for you. The first sample, if 5x plus 6 has derivative 5. Then I want you to find what is the integral of 5 dx. You have 2 minutes. I think you pause the video. Let's go. Okay, what is the answer here? As you remember, since we are looking for the integral of 5, what function has derivative 5? We have the main question. We can say 5x. Okay, the integral of 5 dx is 5x, but we know that it can be any number added to c. So 5x plus 6 is not the only the function that has derivative. So integral of 5 dx can be 5x plus number 6, number 10, number 11, and so on. One more sample for you. Please don't forget to pause the video and try on your own, please. Okay, what is the integral of 4x dx? Again, you have 2 minutes. Okay, time is over. So we are looking for the integral of 4x. The question is, we have a function here, we got the derivative, and the answer is 4x. Now you need to try what function can have 4x. Firstly, since the power is 1, you remember that when we have the derivative of x to the n, we know that n times x to the power n minus 1. It means we decrease the power by 1. Inverse operation, since we have 4x to the power 1, we need to increase the power by 1. I can say that it has to be something x to the power 2. So the derivative of x to the power 2 is, we know 2x, but we have here 4. So what did you hear? So if I say here number 2, so let's apply the derivative rule. We got 4x. Okay, 2x to the power 2, the derivative has 4x. Let's be back our question. The integral of 4x, so we are going to say that it can be 2x squared plus c. Don't forget to write down constant c. Okay, the next questions are for you. The first exercise. The second exercise. And the third one. You can pause the video and solve on your own. Okay, let us start. Up to now, we have used antiderivative. What about, don't we have a rule for this? Of course. We are going to call this rule as general power rule for integration or integrals. What is the rule? Rule says as if x to the power n has derivative n times x to the power n minus 1, then the integral of x to the n dx is x to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1. Of course, we are adding what? Of course, c. So this is the general power rule for integration. We add the power 1 by 1 and we divide by the same power, x to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1. Okay, let's have a sample for this. For example, if we have the integral of x to the power 3, So what we need to do? X to the power 3 is written and increase the power by 1 and divide by the same power. I mean this one. Of course, we do not forget to add c. So the final answer will be x to the 4 over 4 plus c. Okay, one more. What if we have just a constant? For example, number 6 dx. In this, you need to rewrite the function 6. 6 can be written in the terms of x. 6 times x to the power 0 dx. You remember that x to the power 0 means 1. Okay, we will apply the rule. 6 is a constant. So I can say that x to the power 0, we say that we need to increase the power by 1. 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 1. And we are going to add, of course, c. So the final answer is 6 times x to the power 0 plus 1 means x. 0 plus 1 is 1. We don't need to write it down. So we have the final answer 6x plus c. Okay, the last sample. It's a little bit longer. I'm going to give you time. Here it is. What is the integral of 2x cubed plus 4x squared minus 5x plus 6 dx? You see that we have a polynomial here, 2x cubed, 4x squared minus 5x plus 6 dx. Okay, you have 3 minutes to solve the question. Time is start. Okay, time is over. Anyone who got the answer? Good. Those who got the answer, I'm giving a plus. Let's start. Okay, since we have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, we can write each of the terms as integral of the first term, second, third term, and the fourth we can get. Or we can use in one integration. So let's apply the rule. The integral of the first term, 2, is a constant, x to the power 3. So we add by 1 and use the rule. In the second, 4 is a constant, x to the power 2, add 1 over this one. Minus 5, you remember the previous question, x to the power 2 over 2, and final derivative of 6, in the previous question we did this already, 6x. And since we have dx, we don't forget to add c. Okay, let's rearrange this. Okay, I can get 2x to the 4 over 4 plus 4 times x cubed over 3 minus 5 over 2x squared, and we got 6x. And of course, we do not forget c. Let's rearrange because we have some cancellations here. X to the 4 over 2, 4 over 3 is a coefficient, 5 over 2, x to the power 2, 6x plus c. Okay, let me check my solution. 2x to the 4 over 4, 4x cubed over 3, 5 over 2 over 2. Okay, 6x and c. I think it's okay if you haven't done any careless mistakes. Okay, so you see that we can get the final answer by the general power rule. Mainly, I can say that the integral is antiderivative. If you are good at derivative, of course you will be good at integral. For today, I think that is enough. Hope to see you in the next videos. Please keep working, studying, and let's be in touch. If you have any question, do not forget to ask me. Goodbye.